Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about the F1 visa, which is also known as the student visa. As at 11th of July 2025, there's a new rule about visa application, and four countries were impacted by this rule. That is Ghana, Nigeria, Ethiopia, and Cameroon. And that what does that mean? That means that if you're from any of the listed countries, you'll be granted a single entry that is valid for 3 months, which means if you come into the United States, let's say December 2025, and by February 2025 you decide that you have a family emergency or you want to visit your family at home, you will need to apply for a completely new visa in order for you to come back to the state. So it's only a single entry. You can go back and forth like you want. However, if you remain in the USA through the course of the 3 months, as long as your I-120 is valid, you can legally stay and continue your study in the United States. But what do you need to do prior when you come over here, when you're applying for your visa? I know a lot of people believe that once they gain admission into the school, that's all they need to be able to come here. But a lot of people are rejected based off Section 214B, which is failure to prove or show that you have strong ties to your country, and showing them the desire to return to your home country after the program. And also another factor that affects people is zero preparation. I'll come back to the first one because you can easily prepare, but they want to know, after studying here for 2, 3, 4 years, do you want to go back to your country, or do you want to use the opportunity to stay down here? So you have to prove to them and show that you would like to come back, or you have reasons to come back to your country. So now, how can you apply for a F1 visa or a student visa? First of all, you have to find a school that accepts international students. Those are called SEVP approved schools. Once you applied and you are accepted, an administration officer will reach out to you via email, or they will ask that you reach out to them. However it is, you have to follow the procedure. Then you'll be prompted to get Form I-120. Then you have to pay a service fee of $350. Then you have a case number on the USCIS website. And after that, you also need an international passport. The most important part is your financial documents. They want to know if you are able to take care of yourself, or if you'll be getting help from a family member or a guardian or whoever. But whoever is accepting to support, they'll have to give financial documents to show that they can actually support you.